channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. And also my friends, I hope that you all are having a very happy, very healthy, super positive life with your family, with your friends. So today's video is going to be very simple and short video. It's a very famous and popular weight loss recipe which I'll be sharing in my today's video. Over the weekend, if you have some heavy meal just like me, because last day it was Sunday and we had very heavy and spicy meal in our home because I invited some guests in my place. So after that, when you start your Monday, you have to back on your track. You have to start your regular healthy diet. So I think for that day, this recipe is perfect. And if you can include this recipe in your regular diet, you can have it for your breakfast, for your lunch, or even your dinner. Definitely you are going to be able to lose your weight super fast because it's low calorie, high protein, high fiber meal, and it's a complete Indian vegetarian dish. So I hope you are going to enjoy this recipe. I'll share more information about the nutritional benefits of this recipe and how this will help to lose your weight. So please stay tuned till the last and watch this recipe.
And here you can see, my friends, I have already started cutting and chopping my vegetable. Onion, tomatoes, garlic, green chili. These are the veggies that we actually use in most of our Indian recipes. So here I have started cutting my onions. One onion I have cut in little bigger pieces, and one tomatoes I have cut too. And now ginger, garlic I'm chopping in small pieces, and then 2 green chili. So probably you have already guessed what recipe I'll be making today. Yes, it's very heart healthy, very delicious, nutritious Dalia ki khichdi. So let's see how I make it. Here you can see, my friends, I have organized all the ingredients here. First of all, moong dal and dalia, which I have washed and soaked thoroughly and properly. Here are few vegetables which I'll need to make this recipe. You can use whatever vegetable you want, but today I'll use just peas and carrots. And this is dalia. People call it broken wheat too. Also, dalia is called as lapsi in some places. And here is moong dal. I have taken 1 bowl of moong dal and 1.5 bowl of dalia. So about dalia, I want to share few important information with you all. So dalia has a high fiber content. So the high fiber content in dalia actually gives you a feeling of fullness, which is very important. It provides you with the energy which required for the rest of the day. Dalia is absolutely low calorie, high protein, high fiber meal, and this way it promotes weight loss. Instead of rice and roti, you can use dalia in your meal. And here in the oil, I'm gonna add some cumin seeds, 2 cloves, and also fenugreek seeds. Yes, my friends, fenugreek seeds are very important for your weight loss journey. Fenugreek seeds or methi dana will boost your metabolism, and this way it helps you to lose your weight, and 2 bay leaves also. And now I'll add ginger and garlic. I have chopped ginger and garlic both in small pieces. Today I'm not using ginger garlic paste. Instead I'm using it because this way ginger and garlic will release more flavor and more nutritional benefits into your dish. And now I'm adding green chilies. Green chilies are high in vitamin C. Also it will boost your metabolism. And now I'm adding chopped onion into it, and then I'm giving it a very good stir. Time to add some salt now. This is the perfect time to add salt into your dish. And my friends, if you want to lose your weight, try to add minimum amount of salt. And here I have added chopped tomatoes too. And then again I am mixing everything properly. From all the Indian spices and Indian masalas, you will feel a lot of flavor. And that is the beauty of our Indian recipe. And here I am adding just a little amount of red chili powder, not much, and some turmeric powder. I already told you that turmeric has a lot of medicinal value and benefits. So add it in your. And here I am adding cumin powder into it. So I am done with all the masalas. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients properly. After cooking it into low to medium flame for 2-3 minutes, now here I am adding my chopped vegetable. Today I am using peas and carrots, but you can use shimla mirch or capsicum, you can use some cauliflower, beans. So whatever vegetable are available in your kitchen, you can add it. But today I am using just these two. And here I am adding my soaked moong dal into it. And then I'll mix dal with all the vegetable. Here all the veggies are perfectly mixed with moong dal, and this is the right time to add soaked dalia into it. Dalia is a rich source of complex carbohydrate. Also my friends, it's rich source of vitamin B2, which is very good for your health, and also as I told you, it's rich in protein and fiber. And here before adding water, I am mixing everything properly one more time. And finally now here I am adding warm water into it. So my friends, just always remember to add warm water into your food. It will enhance the flavor and nutritional benefit of your recipe. After adding water, this should be the consistency. It looks perfect, and now I'll add some dhania patta or coriander leaf or cilantro. Then I'll cover the lid and I'll lower the flame. I'll let it cook. So yeah, this is how my dalia ki khichdi looks like. It's cooked perfectly. I cooked it in low to medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes and it's looked perfect now. Some garam masala and dhania patta on. Here my khichdi is ready. My plate is ready too. Now I'll serve the lunch. So serving is very important my friends. If you are on your weight loss journey, try to serve your food in proper manner. So today I'll take 4 scoops of dalia ki khichdi. This is a small steel spatula, so just 4 scoops of it and it will be perfect. And with dals, vegetables and all these spices, this dalia is looking super delicious and also very nutritious too. And of course you already know that without salad I cannot eat my food. So yes, some salad on side and also 1 piece of lemon. Always lemon gives you lot of flavor, and also lemon helps you to extract the iron from the food. So that's why I always try to add some lemon juice in my diet. So yes, this is how it looks like. Some raita on side, because I love to add some raita or some chutney with my khichdi. And so this is how my heart healthy delicious khichdi looks like. You can have this complete low calorie nutritious Indian meal for your breakfast or your lunch or for your dinner. After eating it for 7 days, you will definitely see some changes in your weight. That's my promise. But please my friends, do your regular exercise and also please avoid junk food.
So that's all from today's video my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed my super delicious and super healthy dalia ki khichdi. And trust me my friends, this recipe will really help you to lose your weight. Please try to include this high fiber, high protein, nutritional dalia ki khichdi in your lunch, dinner and as well as in your breakfast. And within just few minutes I just made it. So now I want to taste little bit just to tell you how it tastes like. Super duper tasty, perfectly balanced. Who says that diet food is not that? Of course, it's super tasty and super flavorful. Trust me, do try it in your home and I'm sure you'll love it. And I'm so happy to share a fully vegetarian meal with you all one more time. My vegetarian friend will be really very happy. And if you don't, eat your food without any non-vegetarian item, then definitely you can add 1 poached egg with that. For my hubby Vikram, probably in the dinner time I'll make 1 egg poach and he will enjoy this delicious meal with the egg poach. But yes, you can have it just like that. And also for some extra source of protein, you can have some raita, a small bowl of raita and 4 scoops of this dalia ki khichdi with some salad. It will definitely help you to lose your weight. So my friends, I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. Take care of yourself, do your regular exercise, eat healthy, stay positive, always keep smiling. So tata bye, love you.